Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. I am Mohammad Ashik Hossain, first year, second semester, Department of Business Administration, Shahjalal University of Science and Technology, Sylhet. Today, I am going to discuss my assigned presentation topic. My assigned present topic is interview and interviewer both parties should follow a set of guidelines to make interview fruitful and list of those guidelines. And the next one, which factor determine media richness and discuss based on the social media contest. Now, first of all, we need to know about what is interview. An interview is a structured conversation where one participant asks question and other provide answer. The next the next slide show who are interviewer. This one is very important. We need know who are interviewer. An interviewer is a person who is asking someone question at an interview. Then we need know about what is guideline and why we should follow. A guideline is a statement by which to determine to course of action. A guideline aims to stream in particular process according to a set of routine or sound practice. To make an interview fruitful, you should must follow some formulate guideline. Now I would like to discuss the best effective interview guideline. There are basic 8 effective guideline we are found. The number 1, establish position requirement priorities. Now I would like to explain briefly. Before you conduct interview, determine the requirement you have for the position you are hiring for. One, you have established the position requirement, prioritize the requirement that are absolutely necessary and indicate which are performed. The next one, they communicate with human resource. Human resource professionals are a great asset in an organization or in any kind of company. When searching and interviewing candidate, once you have developed your interview materials, consider meeting with human resource representative so they can review the information and provide feedback. For example, a human resource team member may be able to inform you if any of your question may violate lawful interview conduct before you begin interview. The third one, put together a diverse hiring team. When interviewing potential employee, having a diverse hiring team can ensure fair assessment and make the candidate more comfortable with the process. You want to ensure that all involved parties feel that the hiring process is fair and that everyone feels welcome and represented. The number 4 is develop a welcoming environment. Your interview is more likely to be successful if you develop a welcoming and distraction-free environment in which to conduct it. The candidate should feel that you and your team member are giving full attention. The number 5, avoid asking personal and or unfit question. This one is very important. You want to get to know the potential employees through the interview process, but there are some questions that are maybe inappropriate to ask. There are some following topic you should avoid asking about during your interview, like age, personal income, financial condition, religion, relationship status, drug use, disability, citizenship, etc. The number 6 is document the interview process. Documentation is important to protect yourself. You hiring a team and the company you work for. Consider recording each interview using a tape or video recorder to ensure you have true documentation of each meeting. If you choose to record the interview, by be sure to inform that candidate that you are doing so. The number 7, maintain neutral body language. During an interview, it is possible that a candidate response may impress, disappoint, or surprise you. It is important to maintain natural non-verbal communication in this moment. For example, if something a candidate say surprise you, try to maintain neutral composure to ensure the candidate feels comfortable. The final or last one, ensure all questions are job relevant. One of the most important interview guidelines to follow when developing your interview materials is to ensure that the interview material question Independent question is job relevant. Be sure avoiding asking personal or unfit question, but also create your question to be job relevant. The last one is, what is media richness theory? That is, I will like to explain. Media richness theory, sometimes referred to as information richness theory or MRT, is a framework used to describe a communication medium's ability to reproduce the information sent over it. It was introduced by Richard L. Draft and Robert it Langer in 1986 as an extension of information processing theory. There are some list of media richness factor or source: Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, etc. That's all about my assigned presentation topic. Thank you everybody and wish you all the best. Thank you.